Biogeographical evidence. Okay, what is the biogeographical evidence means? It is nothing but study of what do you mean by biogeography means? This is a study of a distribution of plants and animals throughout the world. Okay, other biogeography. The world 6 biogeographical regions have their own distinct mix of living things. Continental drift. What do you mean by continental drift? Drift no car drift. It is a continental drift. Okay, continental drift nothing but changing position of the continents over time. Okay, in previously the Pakistan, India, and Sri Lanka are closer to each other. Then throughout the time they separate. In America they are closely one land, and in due course they separated from each other. Today also there is a continental drift happening. 220 million years. Okay, all the present land masses belong to the one continent. That continent, the geologists, okay, they called as Pangea. Distribution of plants and animals is consistent with continental drift. Okay, organisms such as certain seed plant groups or reptiles are widely distributed throughout the world. This is the reason for continental drift. Okay, other groups such as mammals that although after the continents broke up have great differences species on different continents. Continental drift. Okay, this is some glimpse of what is happening in the at the time of evolution. Okay, today is also evolution happening. Keep in your mind. Okay, anatomical evidence. Despite dissimilar function, all vertebrate forelimbs contain the same sets of bones. This strongly suggests common descent. Okay, all human beings have same set of bones, which are made up of calcium and some magnesium. Okay, this is the anatomical evidence. Okay, and structure that are similar because they are inherited from a common ancestor. Homologous structure. Okay, what do you mean by homologous structure? Nothing but the structure that are similar. Okay, because they inherited from common ancestor. Our ancestor common chimpanzee. Okay, gorilla. Analogous structure are used for the same purpose but are not due to a common ancestor. Okay, analogous structure means they are different ancestor but they have modified themselves for this particular function. Bones of vertebrate forelimbs. Okay, whale, cat, horse, woman, bat, bird, they are made up of same. Okay, then vestigial structure. Okay, vestigial structure, it is nothing but anatomical features that are fully developed in one group but are reduced or non-functional in other similar groups. For example, tail is not present in human beings but tail is present in the chimpanzee. Okay, our common ancestor is that. Okay, vestigial structure can be explained by common descent. For example, vestigial organ we never like molar teeth. Okay, vampire teeth, okay, tail. This was a small, not molar teeth, vampire teeth. The homology shared by vertebrates extend to their embryological development. All vertebrates have a dorsal notochord and paired pharyngeal pouches at some point. Evolution modified existing structure. Significance of developmental similarity. Okay, both. It is important in embryo stage. Okay, in the pre embryo stage, all organism they have the structure like a similar embryo, like pig embryo, chick embryo, and as well as mammal and human beings, they have the prior structure same. Okay, biochemical evidence. What is the biochemical evidence? This was the main important present biochemical evidence is main. All organisms have certain biochemicals in common. All use DNA, ATP, and many identical or nearly identical enzymes. Organisms use the same triplet code and the same 20 amino acids in proteins. Okay, similarity is not necessary but can be explained by common descent. Significance of biochemical differences. Canada, mouthfish, turtle, duck, pig, monkey, human. Okay, number of amino acid difference compared to human beings. Okay, there is a difference in the human number of amino acids. Okay, in human beings there are decreasing. Amino acid is nothing but 20